In this tutorial, you will learn how to clean the printer's printhead and platen. Press and hold the power button to turn off the printer. Open the media cover. Clean the printhead by rubbing the head cleaning pin tip on the dark area with a center-to-side motion. Allow the printhead to completely dry before loading media and closing the media door. Do not use the head cleaning pin to clean the platen. Moisten a lint-free wipe with alcohol. Clean the platen with a center-to-side motion while turning. Allow the platen to completely dry before loading media and closing the media door.